Is it a ladybug?
Put it in the campfire.
It's a ladybug backpack. What's inside your backpack?
Doggies.
Doggies? Wow.
You want to show them again?
Can I see your backpack again? Show me.
No.
One more time. One more time. Thank you. Wow. The doggies inside?
There's two
Happy
doggies
birthday.
inside.
2 doggies inside. It's incredible.
Wanna open it? Yeah, she was charging. No.
What's wrong, Irene? Hi. This is Mary Kate. You're 4. Irene's 2 and you're 4. And you have a hot dog. Are you going to eat that whole thing? Whoa. She's putting it in her mouth. Oh, boy. Yummy. Hello. Oh, Dad is. You gonna sit down?
Constructing space station.
Hi. Those are your poo shoes.
Can I see?
Want to see what's in there? Only thing is it's a video see now, so if you look in there, we see what's over there. There's those teenagers hanging out. And there's the table. See?
But almost all your day has been hiking.
Where's that?
But
Where are we?